Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video we're going to talk about can we stop Instagram Reels from repeating automatically. So the short answer is no, because Reels automatically loop by default to increase the watch time, and there is no official stop looping toggle, but you can try to do the normal thing. So as an example, I'm just going to access Instagram, I'm going to access Reels. So here normally, if I hold and press and hold in the middle, as you can see, the reel will stop. And it will not keep looping, and it will not even keep playing. And if I click on the right example, it will speed up. So can I stop as an example from looping once it ends? No, I cannot. It will keep looping forever. Of course, the other thing, if you are here like scrolling around right here, so this is an option. It is implemented in some like devices and others not. It depends on the device, if it's an iPhone, if it's Samsung. And normally once this reel finish, because as you can see if I click on it, it's on reels, as you can see at the top. So normally once this video finish, they'll ask me if I want to watch this again, or I don't want to. If I don't want to, I can just go and scroll away or do something, but the reel will stop and it will not repeat. And that's not something that you can enable or disable. It's just something that comes per default with Instagram. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.